Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's take a look at what will be playing out on GBPUSD this week. Now, if you watched my analysis last week, especially if you're my subscribers, and if you are not yet, you need to subscribe because you need to subscribe to be able to get access from us or updates from us. Also follow us on Telegram because our link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section, by the way. So if you were following my analysis last week, I told you guys that we'll be expecting a drop, right? To a level of 127. I literally said it. A level of 127, we will be expecting GBP to USD actually drop there. From there, then we can now expect some bullish move. So I think this bullish move came on Thursday, right? When bank rates was increased, price came to this ice, right? This gave us like a double, what I call it the double top, especially when you sit on the lower time frame. You see that price spiked up because a lot of traders were trading. A lot of traders were trading, right? So a lot of traders, I knew it will actually go up to tap this level. So once this lot of traders were selling, this spiked up was made that took out a lot of stop loss. Right now, price has now dropped again. So with what I am expecting right now, I am seeing a reversal movement, but I need a confirmation. I personally would not advise you to take a trade, but we need to wait. And one of those confirmation I am seeing is that price needs to break this to 1.26. If price can break below it and it give us a correction, then that will be an indication that price is now on a bearish move. Then we can now look to sell. But if in case price does not do that, if price comes to this level and it goes bullish, then probably we can go ahead and join with the trend by going up. So we just need a confirmation. It's just just sometimes you don't have to take a trade. You just need to wait and see price plays out and give you a confirmation. So right now, price is just doing its thing, right? So I just need to wait, be patient, wait for price to break below this level. This, what will I call it? This major key level. This is a key level, right? We expect price to actually drop to this same level and give us a bullish move. So if it comes to this level and give us that bullish move, then we can go ahead and take the buy. But if in case it breaks below it, then all we just have to do is wait for a correction and we would continue the bearish move. By the way, I am expecting DXY to give us a bullish move this week. That is one of the reasons why I'm saying I will be waiting for a confirmation on GBPUSD before I go ahead and sell. It is just a time of matter of wait. But if in case you're interested in high probability trade, probably you are having trouble growing up your accounts, you're actually taking losses, then we have a solution for you. That is on our Patreon channel. Once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Patreon channel. Click on the link on the Patreon channel, subscribe to our Patreon channel. By the way, so we'll be putting out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what we'll be putting out today. So if in case you're interested, you can trade. You can just give it a try for just a month. If after a month you see that you're not comfortable with the services or every other thing, it is fine. You can now go ahead and cancel your subscription. So you can cancel your subscription after a month. You are not comfortable with it, but give it a try. We would also probably put out a trade on USD, by the way. It could be a trade on either Euro USD or GBP USD or USD Swiss franc, basically any pairs on USD. So we are going to put out a trade. And if you have any question on any USD, you can actually reach out to us. We give one-on-one support. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So subscribe, we'll be waiting for you.